simply home. In today's video, I will be styling my entryway 4 different ways with late spring and early summer decor ideas. My entryway is a small space, so I like to keep it very minimal so that it is also a functional space so that we have a drop zone area we can put our sunglasses or keys as we walk into our home. With most of the decor I'm using today, I have shot my home for it. Sometimes when you take decor from one room and add it to another room, it seems so new and fresh.
We were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was eyes.
In style number 1, I added this planner from Walmart as a base, and then I eventually add this old pottery-like picture and this beautiful mix of white and off-white cosmos from Hobby Lobby that we all love. I bent them slightly in different ways to make them seem realistic and have an organic shape. Here I am adding a few bucks for some height. Then on this frame I purchased at Target a little while back. I love having a family picture in the entryway that is a reminder of a special time that you get to see every time you walk in the door. These next 2 storage boxes are from Hearth & Hand, and I love the texture and the color that they provide, and they tie nicely back to the frame in the picture. I also added these black candlestick holders that I got at the Target dollar spot. They tie nicely back to the mirror and the table and pull everything together.
If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to go back.
And that completes style number 1.
We were meant to be. And didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be.
Again, I added this player drainage plate from Walmart as a base, and then again using the old pottery-like picture. And then added these beautiful, long, soft yellow bud stems from Hobby Lobby. I think these are so beautiful. I added a few books again for some height, and I found this simple round basket with the fringe detail at the Target dollar spot a while back and thought it would be great to use somewhere as a drop zone. The texture and color is beautiful, and I added this to the top of the books.
I remember you, I've been thinking about you more than ever. I guess I'm lonely, I'm starting to grow old, and I thought
Next, I'm adding this beautiful candle that I got from the Hearth & Hand line in my favorite scent, Salt. And that completes style number 2.
Stupid, 'cause all we had was eyes. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be. Just tell me where and I'll come see ya. 'Cause I'm afraid that I'll Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see.
In style number 3, again I added this planter drainage plate from Walmart as a base, and then again using this old pottery-like pitcher with these summer green stems from Amazon. I love the contrast between these stems and the white shiplap. It is really amazing how different your space can look with the same base and simply changing out the stems. Play around with your decor and try different ways to style it. I do this a lot and then choose my favorite. I added just one book back this time, in the same storage box from Hearth and Hand, along with the same 2 black candlestick holders.
Acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be.
I am also adding this other woven storage container from Hearth and Hand. It brings some warmth to the styling. And the faux leather handles on both boxes complete the space and gives a cohesive feel. And that completes style number 3. Again, I added this planter drainage plate from Walmart as the base, and then added a different picture vase from Hobby Lobby. These gorgeous hydrangea stems I also got from Hobby Lobby. I love the cottage and summery feel these give, and I love the warm, rich green leaves they have. I added back a couple books, and then I'm also including this old vintage-looking rounded frame that I purchased from HomeSense a while back. I think it brings some interest and dimension to the space.
'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be.
I'm adding back the same storage box from Hearth and Hand. And I recently found this brass-looking decor piece with birds at Hobby Lobby in the clearance section. I thought it would be a nice summer touch, and it plays off of the frame beautifully.
Hope you'll understand how much I need you. Take me back to
And that completes style number 4.
if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was really fun to try and style some of my different decor in different ways. Let me know in the comments below which style you like the best. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and I would appreciate if you could subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. In my next video, I will be sharing how I style my kitchen and family room for late spring, early summer. And I also have a video coming out soon on how I decorate for the 4th of July. I hope you are enjoying these first few weeks of summer. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you in the next one.